Everyone. I just have a quick thing to say about the state sovereignty resolution. On a cold December in 1791, fresh from the War for Independence and the Constitutional Convention, our founders ratified as the last amendment to the Bill of Rights the following: those powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution nor prohibited by it to the states are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. Now, since 1868, and especially since 1913, we have seen a federal power grab the likes of which our founders could scarcely imagine. In the last 20 years, the federal government has grown in size and scope at an astonishing rate, and the next 4 years may be even worse than the whole history of our republic combined. Thankfully, we still have the Constitution and the 10th Amendment as the supreme law of the land. Though it remains largely forgotten and mostly dishonored in the halls of Washington, D.C., we, the people of the Franklin County Republican Party, still remember, still honor the Constitution and its original intent. Just the other day, I saw Congress live on Capitol Hill calling for the power to tax named individuals to 100%. Is that really the kind of power that we want to allow the President to have? The current President wants to ban the First Amendment through something called Fairness Doctrine, the Second Amendment through Weapons and Ammunition ban, the Fourth Amendment through the expansion of warrantless domestic wiretapping, and the 9th, 10th, and 13th Amendments through compulsory federal service programs. We cannot allow this to stand. Therefore, let's come together as a community, as a county and a state party, to serve notice to the federal government, and specifically to the President, that we will not stand silently by and allow further encroachment against those powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution. That we will not stand idle while the foundation of our constitutional republic is eroded from beneath us. Let's join Republican Senator Neil Hunt, Guilford, Watauga, Buncombe, and Wake counties in supporting a binding resolution in the State House. It is, if our constitutional republic is to survive and prosper, it will be through our efforts to restore the respect and obedience to the U.S. and North Carolina constitutions which our state and nation knew when we first became great and prosperous. Let us therefore resolve that those we have elected as our representatives to power stand by not only the letter of the law but also the spirit, that being those which are the fundamental principles of the American Republic. Among these are the concept that the several states of these United States are sovereign in their own right, and furthermore, her people, as preserved by the 9th and 10th Amendments. Towards that end, I ask you, ladies and gentlemen of Franklin County Republican Party, to join me in resolving to reassert the sovereignty of North Carolina according to the U.S. Constitution. Thank you, and God bless America.
Thank you, Glenn. At this time, I'd like to open up the floor for discussion.